Welcome to On the Surf. I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Sandra.
This is the kids, Hector and Jack. And these are the dogs. Follow us on our adventures on the seas. Please like, share and subscribe. It's free. Stay tuned. So I've got some question about my table and sofa setup that I made. As you can see in this construction of the table, I can still open the floorboard to access the bilge pump and the water inlet for the engine. I can spin it around, so like this is the normal position we have it in. We can walk around, we can go into the aft cabin, and so on, so on, so on. And if I do like this, I get a full table here, and we can, if we are a lot of people, we can turn the sofa around. Here are two wing nuts. It's just remove those two wing nuts, put them aside. Get the child off your back. Lift the sofa. Get the legs off. Hector, can you go away? Hector. Så, kan jeg deg? And then take the legs, get them out of the way behind the sofa, then turn the table the opposite way, extend it, ta-da! And I will make foldable piece like that also, that folds up underneath. Then I have full table all the way around, and I can also lock the table so it doesn't turn under here. So, and then to put it back is fold it together. And put the wing nuts on. Ta-da! And then lock the table in place. And in this position you can still open and close the doors to the aft cabin. Yeah. That's that. Hope it was meaningful. And we can be seated 8 grown-ups when we have the sofa turned around, and right now 4 grown-ups and 2 kids is about maximum. Yeah, that's that for now. Next, I don't know what we're gonna do next. If you have any questions about any systems, make a comment below. We are gonna do a full tour of the boat, so if there is something that you want to know something more about, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, and give the video a thumbs up and hit that bell button and turn off notification to keep up with all new videos. Stay tuned. See you next week.